Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In today's video we will be exploring the first Apple store of India, which is located in BKC, Mumbai. So here you will get all types of AirPods and stuff, ranging to AirPods Pro, AirPods Mini, AirPods Pro, and all of them. And this one comes with the Apple Watch belts you'll get for Series, Ultra, then SE also. So these are all the kind of bands you can buy. Yeah, and coming here, these are the mobile phone covers. So you get for all types of mobiles here. Again, like for 15 plus, for 15 plus. You'll get for 15 also. These are all that kind of covers that are available here. Here there are different type of Apple Watch models such as Series, SE, Ultra. There are different models of iPads and iPhones. Now let us go to the first floor and explore some more Apple products. The Apple Play, where you can play some games. Here few chargers are given for Apple Watch, AirPods, MagSafe chargers for laptops and all type of devices. If you are looking for purchasing a new product, you must try the trade-in option, as the new product becomes affordable while you exchange your old product. If you enjoyed watching today's video, do hit the like, share and subscribe button.